she rolled and I kept going and I landed on her. And I'm like, that was fun.
Out, Grandpa, here they come. Oop. Yeah, don't go out on the road. Oh, here comes Ashley. Oh no, watch out, Jake. Watch out, here he comes. I think he's dead. Oh, here comes Jake! Watch out! Up the hill they go. Way up the hill. Wait. Let's back it up. There they are. Oh, here they come.
That's a good thing that big berm's there. Otherwise you go flying off into the trees. We're supposed to go forward, not backwards.
Maybe if I start out backwards, I'll go forward.
And here he comes, folks. Here he comes.
Yeah, he gets flying down that thing.
Oh no! Where'd he go?
Alright. It's a darn good thing that pile of snow's there. He about jumped it.
Woo! It's a long walk up that hill. Here she comes. Watch out, everybody. Here comes Ashley. Oh, no. Are you all right?
Yeah.
Well, let's see where they're at. They're still walking.
Oh, it's a Jacob sled.
Here they come. Stand back, Ashley. Grandpa hits you, he'll knock you for a loop. Oh, he's clear up on the side of the snowbank. That didn't work. Oh, here comes Jake. Oh, watch out. Oh, be careful, be careful, be careful. Oh no, here comes Grandpa.
Oh no!
Oh, Grandpa's going in circles.
Where am I?
Here comes Ashley, watch out. Here she... Oh no! Are you all right, honey? Trust me, me and Grandpa did that a lot. There they are, way up at the top. Way up at the top. Oh, I think they're coming down. Here comes Jacob. Ashley. I saw that.
That pile of snow works well.
And here she comes.
That way too. Jump off!
Oh, God, don't go over that hump.
No, bail.
Yeah, if you think you're going to go over that, you jump off.
Yeah, if you think you're going to go that past those
Oh,
two piles.
here comes Jakey. Oh, no.
Big crazy.
Be careful, Jake. And up the hill we go. Come, folks. Oh my God! Watch out! Here comes a Jake.
Yeah.
Oh, he wrecked. Did he wreck?
I'll just roll back like I did.
Here he comes.
He's not gonna get it.
Oh no!
Maybe, I don't know.
Watch out!
I had to put the brakes on.
Dude, I'm waiting a bridge.
Oh, I think the sledding trip might be just about over.
Now Grandma needs to go again.
I had to put the brakes on. I'd have gone clear across the road and clear up another hill and clear up my feet marks. All the way from clear up there.
Oh, it says record up here in the thing.
Look out, Dick! Supposed to go forward, not backwards! Oh my God!